friends, happy Tuesday. I still have major bedhead, so I'm going to turn the camera around and show you what I'm looking at this morning. I just got done writing up a little to-do list here in my planner and paying all my bills and taking care of all of my typical Tuesday morning stuff. We get our direct deposit, our paycheck direct deposited on Tuesday morning, so first thing in the morning on Tuesdays. I always go over the budget. We did our budget meeting last night, so we already knew what we were going to pay to what, but I just look over it and then I pay all the bills, so I can mark off those things. I did do a little bit of a meal plan and a grocery list, so that is done. I do need to still go through my pantry and fridge, do my inventory and clean out. Typically I do that before I meal plan, but I have a really good idea of what we have because we just did grocery shopping 4 days ago. I'm going to get myself all set up so that I can do my grocery shopping tomorrow morning, kind of getting back on a routine of going on Wednesdays after we get paid, so that we're not messing with the budget by pulling money out early and going into our savings to get money for groceries. I was shopping on Mondays, and what I was doing is I was either pulling money out of savings to get groceries and then putting it back on Wednesdays, which was confusing, or I was putting it on a credit card and then just paying the credit card on Tuesday. But I want to get away from doing that. I want to have the money in hand before I'm actually doing my shopping, so decided to go back to shopping on Wednesdays. I had switched it at one point because of something I can't even remember, but we're getting back to the basics here, waiting till we actually have money to shop. Who'd have thunk it? Novel concept, I know. But so that was that. I still need to edit and upload the vlog for today. I need to, like I said, do my pantry inventory, clean out my fridge and my pantry and make sure everything is good and clean to put groceries away tomorrow. I need to work on some cash envelopes for our savings. We're going to start doing our sinking funds in cash, or at least we're going to try it out and see how we like it. We may end up going back to our old method, but we're going to try it. So I'm going to make some cash envelopes today. And that is pretty much my day. Super exciting. I haven't had coffee yet, so I'm going to go and do that and have some breakfast. But it is very satisfying to check off things on my to-do list bright and early. So, done. And I'll check in with you guys in a bit. So, I was in the middle of cleaning my bathroom and realized that some people are interested in the cleaning process. I mean, I have filmed a ton of cleaning videos and posted them on YouTube, so I know people are interested in this stuff, but I thought I would show you the products that I'm using to clean the bathroom. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I've been busy. For the most part, I do use the Clorox disinfecting wipes. I love these for my toilet, wiping off surfaces, disinfecting. For inside the toilet, I use the Clorox wand with the refills. I get the refills on Amazon Subscribe and Save super affordably. Here's a good tip for soap scum, you guys. Did you know that if you use a dryer sheet, it will take out the soap scum? I have this plastic sink, and it's really hard to get clean. I use a dryer sheet, it takes the soap scum right off. I don't know why it works, but it works. Try that out in your house. I use the Method Anti-Bac for spraying everything down when I'm not using the disinfecting wipes. And then to keep my toilet fresh between uses, I use this Scrubbing Bubbles little gel insert that goes right into the toilet bowl. You guys don't use those like bleach tablets and stuff you put in the toilet tank because they're no good for your toilet. My plumber husband says so, but those he approves of. So that is a look at the products. I just used it to clean up my bathroom. I still need to clean the mirror because it's pretty gross and do the floors, but thought I would take a little intermission and share those things with you. So it is just after 6 o'clock. We just got finished up at an appointment. We are here at Little Caesars, which you guys, it's behind me. You can't even really see the sign, but we're gonna go, Eric just ran in to grab us some dinner. We're gonna get a few pizzas and take them home for a super easy night since I got the kitchen all cleaned up and prepared for grocery shopping tomorrow. I didn't feel like messing it up, and we had to come right by here anyway because of that appointment. So he just went in to get us some food, and then we're gonna head home. Alright, so here is a look at our dinner. We ordered a few pizzas from Little Caesars, and we placed the order online and picked them up from the pizza portal, which is pretty cool. You get to skip the register. You don't have to communicate with people, essentially, which is great for us introverts. But yeah, so we picked up a pepperoni pizza. Oof. And a cheese pizza. And this, I think, is the thin crust, right? Yes. And a thin crust pizza, which is my favorite. I love thin crust. And then we also got a ton of their dipping sauces because that's really the best part of Little Caesars. If you guys aren't familiar, this cheesy jalapeno dip is by far the best. So good. Austin's not a fan though, so he gets the, oh my gosh. It's all jalapeno. Ah, they're the same color, that's why I was confused. He gets the Buffalo Ranch. So, we're gonna go and eat now. I'm very excited. We are gonna have most of this left over. We will probably eat through maybe 1.5 pizzas total. But, yeah, that's dinner.